Bridging the Gap is a personalized, facilitated training program that benefits the employer and the foreign domestic worker. It has three main components. 1, the additional online EOP program. 2, the FDW's journal provided at SIP. And 3, the structured training guide used during the initial adjustment period. The additional online EOP program can be done either on site or later at your own convenience. It lets employers identify the qualities that they are looking for in their prospective domestic helper, making their process of selecting an appropriate FDW much more accurate. Closer to the FDW's arrival, when the employer has a clear idea of their needs and wants, MOM will send an email to remind the employer to access the online program again. This online platform allows employers to identify their primary and secondary needs. This encourages realistic expectations by preventing employers from setting unmanageable workloads for their foreign domestic worker. It helps employers come up with the specific tasks and skills they will need to teach their FDW, which they can print out and use later during the FDW's training period. Meanwhile, FDWs are provided with a journal that aids them in learning tasks more efficiently and facilitates an easier transition into their new environment. The training guide, which was previously printed by the employer, provides a checklist of the task and skills previously determined. It also includes tips on how to teach their FDW on the different tasks and skills. The FDW, on the other hand, uses the journal previously provided to record the information her employer is giving her. This journal also contains additional tips for her on how to be successful in performing each task. Additionally, the journal helps the FDW come up with any questions she might need to ask her employer. The training guide enables employers to get feedback on training from their FDW. This helps them to assess the FDW's progress and determine the aspects that need more training. This facilitated training program will help create a long-term work plan that meets the employer's needs while keeps the FDW's perspective in mind.